An HVAC software subscription under $150 a month can handle scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and dispatching. But only if you choose a plan that matches the size of your business, instead of paying for features you'll never use. By the end of this, you'll know what to prioritize, which costs to compare beyond the monthly subscription, and how to choose software that delivers the best value. Start with the essentials. Every HVAC business needs a reliable way to schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, create estimates, send invoices, and track customer history. If a platform covers those daily tasks well, it can eliminate paperwork and reduce time spent on administrative work. Now think about pricing. Most HVAC software companies offer several subscription tiers. Lower price plans usually include the core features, while advanced reporting, workflow automation, inventory management, or additional user access may require a higher tier subscription. Comparing plans feature by feature gives you a much clearer picture than comparing monthly prices alone. Next, consider mobile access. Your technicians spend most of their day in the field, not behind a desk. A mobile app that allows them to view schedules, update job status, collect customer signatures, and create invoices can improve productivity without adding extra software. Now look at integrations. Many HVAC companies use accounting software, online payment processing, and customer communication tools. Software that connects with those systems helps avoid entering the same information multiple times and keeps your business running more efficiently. Another important factor is growth. A platform that works for 3 technicians should also support 10 technicians if your company expands. Choosing software that can grow with your business may prevent an expensive migration to another system later. Don't ignore customer support. When dispatching problems or billing issues happen during business hours, responsive technical support becomes part of the value you're paying for each month. Reliable support can save far more time than an extra feature you'll rarely use. One common mistake is choosing the lowest price subscription without checking whether it includes the features your team actually needs. Adding paid upgrades or separate software later can make the cheaper plan more expensive over time. The better comparison is the complete cost of operating your business. To sum it up, the best HVAC software under $150 a month should provide scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, customer management, mobile access, and room to grow as your business expands. Your next step is simple. Make a checklist of the features your technicians and office staff use every day, compare those against the plans you're considering, and calculate the total monthly cost before making your decision. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more HVAC software comparisons, pricing breakdowns, and practical buying guides that help you choose the right business tools.